Yo guys, this is your boy Montebon up for another video, and today's video, here's another episode of Karaoke with Zboy. Today's episode, we are going to sing Ready For It by Taylor Swift. So, a sequence of female songs. The last episode is Selena Gomez, go check it out. And then next is Taylor Swift. Start na ta. Okay. Put the headsets on. That I saw him, wonder how many girls he had left in the haunted. Like if he's a ghost, then I could be a phantom, holding him for ransom. Some boys are trying too hard, he don't get it all though. Younger than my exes, but she like to still a man now. I've been to the center, I give you forever, like a vendetta. I see how this is gonna go. Touch me and you'll never be alone. Island breeze and lights down low. I want us to know. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, well, you should see the things we do, baby. Yeah, in the middle of the night, in my dreams, I know I'm gonna be with you, so I'll take my time. Are you ready for it? I was a robber, first time that she saw me, stealing hearts and running up and never saying sorry. But if I'm a chief, then she can go to heist, then we'll move to an island, and he can be my jailer, virgin to this tailor. Every love I know they come first, and it's a failure. I forget the names now, I'm so very tame now, never be the same now. I see how this is gonna go. Touch me and you'll never be alone. Island breeze and lights down low. No one else to know. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do, baby. Yeah, in the middle of the night, in my dreams, I know I'm gonna be with you, so I'll take my time. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Baby, let the games begin. The games begin. The games begin. Baby, let the games begin. The games begin. The games begin. I see how this is gonna go. Touch me and you'll never be alone. Island breeze and lights down low. No one else to know. In the middle of the night, you should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, I know I'm gonna be with you, so take my time. In the middle of the night, begin, the games begin, the games begin. The games begin, the games begin, the games begin. Are you ready for it? For it? Okay. Oh my god. Whoa, that song is a roller coaster. Like what I said sa akong mga past episodes in a video, I said that I've never practiced these songs. It's just, if nananing a song sa kung they're here in my laptop, then it's ready to go in the episode. And that's what makes this video unique and funny. Not, you know, I don't like rules like not everyone have rules or something. This is Zboy Montebon signing off for this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, tweet me at Zboy Montebon, comment down below what song you'd like me to sing in the next episode, and ciao.